Yeah, in this video we are going to see the new features we added in the Resolve AI is the agentic builder. So using the agentic builder we can create n number of agentic apps using the agentic studio. So it have the options of creating multi agentic architecture, single agent architecture, anything. So once we created multiple app, this app once deployed, this app will be appear in the agentic workspace. So whenever we create the new this is the chat page. Here you can see the list of session, previous session. Then you can see the chat area, trace how the chat is navigate and bring the related informations. You can see in the trace area. Then you can see the memory, short-term memory and long-term memory, and reinforcement details in the memory part. Then you can see the canvas here based on the if we create any report or any chat or images, this will be available in the artifact library, so you can use for copy and save and publish. So here there's a when you create a new session, it will ask you to select options like this is the general workspace, and if you create any new agentic architecture in the agentic studio, here this will appear in the list, so we can select that specific app and communicate with that one. So the specific flow and the tools will be executed and return the result. So the chat will be work based on the specific app and the general workspace. So when you select the general office, it will show the list of expert agent available as a general, and the connector tools, what are the tools available, and workflow. So this will helps to understand how this system is working, where it will work, what are the information we can request in this chat interface. Okay, so for example, if I ask so I show now what are the how we can work in the workspace, gentle workspace. Okay, so here we will create one agentic studio or app with the agentic studio. Here yes, tomorrow we have the football match here with Saudi Arabia. So we will see how we will set up the architecture to get the latest informations about the football match. So I will create the new architecture. So when we create here, I have to show open the um, supervisor agent, right? On supervisor agent we will mention um, we can create as a display name like this, match the architecture main. Then we can set this is the optional main routing agent, right? Then we can create set the instructions. You are the master instructions when asked about the football match, delegate the research and sports, analyze and send email to me. Okay, and also I can get related informations. Then we can add the specialization. So what are the agents we need to add the sub agent to get the sports related informations. Here we will create the sub agent. In this sub-agent, we will name as sports new analyst. Then we can add the descriptions, expert at finding the real-time sports news and statistic football match updates. Then we need to set the instructions how this agent will behave. So based on that, once it's triggered here, it will see the list of sub-agent. Then based on the description and the instruction, it will work. Then it will go and see the related tools. We can add here multiple tools. So I will add the Tably already. There's a default. We added the Tably search. Here we can see the list of Tably search and sorry information. So what's how is connected, all the related APIs, everything. Then we can add one more tool for sending the email. Once we add here, so we will get the real-time information. Then we need to send the email. For that we will add the email tool here. Um, so you can add this name name as a list. and we can add the descriptions like something trigger these tools only when you are ready to send the finalized football matches and news. Once we can add these informations, blue, then these are the information. So we can add also the auto fill with the AI suggestions. Okay, even we can check here. Okay, this is working or not, everything. So then we can deploy. Once you deploy this, for example, see now architecture is deployed, right? This is, the name is match the architecture. We can test the flow. How is it working? Give the match details about today uh, football match. Then we can run the test. Once you run this test, so it will show now. It will get the details. What the prompt I enter. Then it will go to the routing task. Routing as sports news analyst task. Then it will execute the search tool. Then it's successfully returned back to this task. Then it will give the information to the supervisor here. Then it's give the final result. So this information will be appear in the chat as a report or graph or normal chat. Okay, this is the flow. Once I deployed this deployed, so this tool informations will be appear in the AI agent tool place. For we can make this as a general or a specific app. So like this we can it will appear in the related tools will be appear here. And workflow builders we can set the a normal workflow to navigate as a static way. So this is the we can is this our own system. We can create a number of agentic app using App Studio. It will run 24/7 without any subscription or any cost, any dependency cost, right? So it's very good. So the created app will be appear here. When I create the new session, it will see now it's appear. So new architecture is deployed. Um, News reader, then must be the name. Let me check the name what I keep. Why is the name is not appear? See, still the name show as new architecture. So here I need to keep the name as match day reader, something match day news reader. Like this I added and deployed. Once I go to this workspace and I create a new session, it will give the list of see now match the reader. Once I create it, it will show the related agents, express, post news agents, max to architecture. What are the agents, sub agent available? What are the related tools available? Here, these are the agents available in this architecture. We can call architecture or the agentic app. Okay, in this agentic app, and what are the tools available? So based on the information, I can submit the information and do the process. Okay, so this option. So what I can do, I so what I can do now, I can ask how I can see how. So here you can see the trace how it's analyzing the intent, check the short-term memory, routing, and generate response. Right? You give the all as a transparent. Now I can say find the latest upcoming Rigia and versus Saudi Arabia World Cup. So it will happen tomorrow morning. So I just asking now to ilango.yube to search gmail.com. So when I send like this, it will generate. It will go to the I say it will go to the analysis instance, short-term memory, or routing, delegate to the see specialized sub-agent. See it correctly appear. Go to routing, sports news analyst, sub-agent new analysis execution, sub-agent connected to web search, gather the data, web issues, and return the informations, generating the response. See, it's very good, right? See, all the informations appear. Give the informations in report format. when I asked to give the information in the report formats, it's again it's routing the correct way and generate. Even we can um, see, just give all the information. Even I need in proper format. See, all the information appear like here. So say like this, if you need a specific format, you can it will appear here. So then we can copy and use. So I think this is a new features we add in the Resolve AI agentic builder. We can create n number of builder. So this will helps to they avoid depend on the very cloud platform, at the high level cloud platform with our own applications. We can create a number of agents and multi agents to work 24 by 7, and we can automate our company, right? So I am happy to share this new features here. We will see upcoming features in next video, okay? Next updates. Thank you.